Hello, Cards Against Procrastination here at Greenwich Market today and displaying the lovely new decision dice. Now my camera is a bit dodgy at the moment. So the idea behind the decision dice is when you get it, it's completely blank, but you get it wrapped in a little cloth and with some nice chalk, and then you put on it what it is. If you're not sure what you're going to focus on, we've got the original cards, which are get unstuck, plan, energy, focus, or you could put that you want to do some writing or get your knowledge, or what are your goals, what are your memories. Write it on and then go wild. Let the dice decide. I'm not very good at throwing. Let the dice decide. And it also works for the new mental health cards that are launching very soon. We have one little prototype there, but decision dice, personalised for you to put in what you need. You could also obviously put coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or a cup of soup. If your decision making needs that much help. Thanks for watching. Bye.